Panic and chaos gripped the Mekhani Nagar area of Ahmedabad this afternoon as a passenger aircraft crashed shortly after takeoff from the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The crash occurred around 2:06 p.m., sending a thick plume of black smoke into the sky and prompting an immediate emergency response from the city authorities. The aircraft, reportedly carrying over 242 passengers, was en route to London when it went down just a few kilometers from the runway. Eyewitnesses described scenes of horror and confusion, with one resident stating, "We heard a deafening sound like an explosion, and when we ran outside, we saw the sky filled with smoke." People were shouting and trying to figure out what had happened. Rescue operations were launched within minutes of the crash. Fire brigades, ambulances, and police teams rushed to the spot and cordoned off the area. Local hospitals have been placed on high alert and temporary control rooms have been established to handle the unfolding situation. As per reports, former CM Vijay Rupani was on board. While no official statement has confirmed the number of casualties or injuries, sources indicate that several passengers and crew members have been evacuated and are receiving treatment. Initial visuals show the shared remains of the aircraft fuselage surrounded by debris, with rescue teams working tirelessly to locate any survivors. Airport authorities have suspended all flight operations temporarily, leading to delays and diversions of several domestic and international flights. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) has launched an inquiry into the incident. Technical failure or pilot error is suspected, but nothing has been ruled out at this stage. A senior airport official stated, "Our focus right now is on rescue and recovery. We are in contact with the airline and coordinating with all necessary agencies. A full investigation will follow." The Gujarat government has expressed concern over the incident, and Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel is expected to visit the crash site later today. A crisis helpline has been set up for families of passengers. As City comes to terms with the shock of the crash, one thing is clear: swift action by emergency teams may have prevented an even greater tragedy. Updates are awaited on the condition of passengers and the outcome of official investigation.